Good morning, girls. I hope you all are fine and you all have submitted your art assignments. Yes? Good. So today we will start creative exercises. So right now on a practice sheet also we will write down the topic creative exercises. And in this month we are going to do creative exercises where we are going to learn how beautifully we can make simple creative cards and folders and other things. Today we will learn spray painting. You all must have heard about it. What is spray painting? But today we will learn the correct way of doing it, and we will write the date, we will draw the margin, and we will do that. Now for spray painting, girls, it is not very difficult, but the techniques have to be understood. You just need an old toothbrush. Don't take a new toothbrush. If you don't have a color mixing plate, you can just take any ordinary plate lying at home. And if you don't have any water container, you can just take any simple katoris or glass, and then you can just take clean water. Settle down with your newspaper and everything, and then take out little bit of a paint, right? Whatever color you want, you can take out that paint and just take it out in the plate, right? You will take out the color in the plate. Now I am going to tell you that if we have just added a little bit of a water, right? Spray painting, you will add little bit of a water and mix it up. You will mix it up. I am not spreading it out because I need it together so that my brush, this toothbrush, so that you can just take this, you can take the toothbrush, just put it lightly here, and now the thing that you need to notice is that you are just going to hold your toothbrush here in your fingers and your thumb is going to go over it, right? And if I want a darker effect, my thumb will come closer. I will take the brush closer, and if I want a lighter effect, I will go further away. So I can also create a dark and a light effect. So I can give the shaded effect also with my spray paints. But what you need to remember always is that suppose you have taken a lot of water. What you have to understand is if you've taken a lot of water, you will get drops, right? If you've taken a lot of water, you might get drops of paint. Now this is very, very wrong. This is not spray painting. This is drop painting. Spray painting means actually dot 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 should come, right? So now since I've added too much of water, I will take paint separately and now what I'm doing is I am drying out my brush so that the excess of water is gone, because I don't want drops of water to fall down, right? I'm just spreading it on the newspaper. Now again, going back to practicing it again, I will try it out and I will see that okay, the drops are not coming. Spray painting is done. Once you have practiced this, the best thing to do is let us try out with some stencils. Now what you can do is I have made like a simple stencil, right? Any ordinary paper lying at home, you can just cut out a leaf, a flower, a star, or whatever you want. Now there are two ways of using a stencil, and we are going to use both the stencils, and the cutout which is negative and which has been taken out is the positive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my clean sheet and the stencil, and now see the magic. I know you can't see the other side, but let me just wait for a moment and I'll show you how beautifully you can give a spray effect, right? Once you have done that, very quickly raise out it, right? So you can see how beautifully the leaf has come out. And in this, what you can do is you can take a color pencil or a sketch pen or anything like that, and then you can make your details, right? Whatever details you want to make, you can make the details also, right? Just a moment, I'll give you a better color code. Similarly, you can do with your flowers also, right? Now, how to use the second stencil that I had left? What I will do is, I will take this same sheet, because I'm practicing. I will use my brush, my thumb, and I will give that effect. I'm just spraying over it. I'm ensuring that it is not drops that are following. I want only dots to come out, and very nicely I will raise this effect. So you see, you have a complete leaf like this. And in this too, we can use a pen, a sketch pen, or any details that I want to. And then I can give once it dries out, because the dots must dry out. And then you can give the effect of the leaf. And it will come out so very well. So let's practice some flowers, some stars and everything. And you can do beautiful cards. Let us do that. Thank you. Practice this. Enjoy yourself.